expats in Panama, here's important news about the country's main public transport system. The Panama Metro has announced a massive $158 million investment to maintain its trains through what's called long cycle maintenance. This program will ensure that trains remain safe, reliable, and efficient as the system continues to expand. The work includes overhauling engines, braking systems, electrical components, and safety technology, keeping the fleet operating at international standards. It's a crucial step since the metro already carries hundreds of thousands of passengers daily. For expats in Panama City, this means greater reliability, fewer service interruptions, and confidence that the metro will remain the backbone of urban mobility. It also signals Panama's commitment to building a modern, long-lasting public transport network